So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reverse video without using any software online. And now in order to do it, all you need is just simply open any of the browser you have. Here you have to search for Clydio. You can see the right spelling over there. Just simply go over there and hit enter. Once you do that, here you need to, if you won't find the option of reversing video, all you need to do is to just simply hit all tools. Once you do that, now here when you scroll down, you're gonna find the option to reverse your video. Here you're gonna see it says reverse video. Just simply tap over there and here it will directly ask to upload your video. For example, if I upload a video, let's wait for the video to be uploaded. Here it says all the video formats are also supported, and there are multiple editing options as well. Once the video gets uploaded, and it will automatically reverse the video after pre-processing. Here you're gonna see the reverse speed is also there. The video have been reversed. I can just simply hit export and save the video file. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.